Okay, we are going to look at some types of figurative language. So this is just a review. The types of figurative language, we're going to look at 8 different types. First one is a simile, comparison of two unlike things using like or as. So an example of this would be, the monster's body was as round as Earth. Then we have metaphors. Okay, metaphors, it's just like a simile, comparing two things without using like or as, right? So we could say, my eyes are blue moons shining in the night. Okay, they are blue moons, not like. When it's a metaphor, we do not use the word like. Then we have onomatopoeia. This is one we see a lot in sound. This is a sound tool. So when a word means a sound like chomp or woof or drip, kind of creating that picture in your mind, you can hear it. Oxymorons are opposite ideas, like two things that mean the opposite of each other, like a jumbo shrimp, right? A jumbo means big, shrimp is something that's usually small. Hyperbole is one that we've learned a lot. Okay, this is extreme exaggeration, beyond the point of being realistic. My homework weighed a ton. Personification is another one that we're reviewing. It gives non-human objects human qualities, like the stars blinking in the night sky. Stars don't have eyes, they can't blink like a person, but it's to create an image. Alliteration is the beginning of it's repetition of the beginning sound. So perfectly pointed pencils for pretty penmanship, that repetition. Idioms are kind of, it's like what we would say a figure of speech, like you spilled the beans, meaning you told the secret. You didn't actually spill beans, it's just kind of a thing that we say.